Hello everyone, welcome to Sesi channel. My name is Taufik Hidayat from MBA program Pertamina Cirebon. I would like to share about my personal based leadership project. At December 2018, my team is assigned to delegate Pertamina at Seoul International Innovation Fair at South Korea to present our product innovation that handling oil spill at Pertamina. At this event, we awarded as Best Innovation Product at SEF Council Special Reward from Minister of Thailand and Iran. How was the project created and what's the part that my team has experienced? Let's check it out. We begin with introduction. The project name is Oil Spill Handling with the innovation of Bintaro Fluid as oil spill equipment at PT Pertamina IP. Project is creating oil spill equipment products from the invention of Bintaro fluid as raw material. The existing product is used as synthetic and imported from outside Indonesia. The existing product can be used just once and then become the hazardous waste to environment that PT Pertamina have to spend more cost to process it according to the regulation. The project is reducing the cost of oil spill equipment and the hazardous wastewater treatment costs. I was the leader in this project. My team name is Vibre. The project team is involving multiple departments, ICC, RAM, and production operation. The project schedule is runs from February 2017 until September 2017 and the cost is 101 million rupiah. The project team consists of this member. Now we continue to the next chapter, the 5 leadership practices. The first one is model the way by find my voice and set the example. My personal value in this team to have solid teamwork, find innovative solution, and then bring the profit for Pertamina. The other team members' value are comply with the regulation, cost efficiency, and cost reduction. In the end, we conclude that our shared vision is teamwork, profitability, efficiency, cost reduction, innovative, and comply with the regulation. Then what I set the example for align the action with Cerebral value is when I helped Mr. Ade Gustiana for designing the production line with the optimum cost. And then Mr. Ade helped Mr. Vino create the equipment for test the product. What I learned from this project is what our action as leader will be followed by the team member of the project. And now the second step, inspire the self-vision that consists of the envision the future and enlist others. For the envision future is by imagining the exciting and enabling the possibility. Pertamina vision is profit, cost reduction, environment preserve, and regulation compliant. That most of this is aligned with our team project vision. The project was run very successful and beyond our expectation. The other achievement is we able to achieve gold proper for the first time that one of the major program is Bintaro oil spill equipment project. The metaphor that we can describe for this project is breakthrough invention. And then enlist other. Here's the common vision by appealing to share aspiration. Okay, what the unique of the project is the product of Bintaro fluid as oil spill equipment is new product that never had done before. Based on my experience, the lesson learned of the shared vision that we must have further vision for at this project. At the beginning of the project, no one of the project team member will imagine that we can invent a product that helps PT Pertamina achieving the vision and target. Now we enter the next step. The third step is challenge the project. Then what we change at this project is at the first time all of the team thinks that we have found the degradable synthetic material which mostly imported to Indonesia. We found the date and then the cost of this synthetic material is so expensive and we must wait to available at the Indonesia. As raw material alternative, we use the 5 alternative material to create oil spill equipment. We use durian fruit skin, sawdust, coconut coir, bamboo fiber, and then bintaro fruit. We conduct 4 experiments to all of this raw material: residual oil experiment, sorbent pep test, snack boom test, oil boom test. The majority of the experiment was success, but for the oil boom test of our product have limitation that cannot be operated wet at the sea. And then experiment and take the risk. When we choose the alternative natural raw material, we start all over the project, causing loss of money we have spent before, and then the research time that we done before, and the project can be failed. When we found the dead end at the synthetic material, all team together and try to do brainstorming what alternative we can take. We should be anticipate the fail of the synthetic material from the beginning of the project. Our biggest lesson learned at this step is we must prepare multiple alternatives. We cannot depend on one solution and cannot conduct more research to find the solution. And now the fourth step, enable others to act. What I do to ensure that all team members get the information they needed. I create the S-curve that contains the information of the progress, job sequence, and the cost of the project, and then send the report frequently to all of the project members. And then what I do to strengthen others, the example is I can give is to give power is for Dian Utomo. He always nervous when present our progress to management team. I gave him the book reference how to be good a presenter, and I asked him to learn this. I've got this training before. For the practices, we asked Dian to present in front of all the team members before we go to the management. Then for the collaboration among the team, at this project we collaborate across the department. For example, Adik Gusdiana at the RAM collaborated Manon Harif at HCC in order to design the production line that didn't change the quality of material. What we learned from this chapter is we must support each other at the project team. Have the other team members whatever the problem. If we're able to handle this, we will get the more solid teamwork at the project. Now for the last step is encourage the heart that consists of recognize the contribution and celebrate the value and victories. Then the best recognition that influence is when the President Director of PT Pertamina EP, Mr. Nanang Abdulmanaf, invite us to his office just to drink coffee and talk about the project. The effect of the recognition of awarded as the best innovation project and then invite by Mr. Nanang is boost our morale and give unlimited spirits to us. For each success for project milestone, we celebrate by going to coffee shop and then go to eat at restaurant. We talk and eat until the restaurant is closed. The most successfully team celebrate is when we go to Nami Island at the South Korea after SEF forum, celebrating of all our part to run the project until we get the highest achievement that can be reached. What we can learn from this step is knowledge is very important and it can boost the spirit of teams multiple times. The knowledge, it can be anything, even the work from the management can be boost the morale. For the stage, I learned we need to do celebration to keep the spirit of team. Okay, that's my story. Thank you for watching. See you at the next time.